Hello guys, چطورین؟ Welcome to Rayhon Pads. We have Shirbench here with us, who's the queen of desserts. I didn't want to name it king because you're aware of their remarkable impacts, at least on the chessboard. Sugar! Breakfast cream. Salt. Rose water. Cardamom powder. Milk. Rice, apparently. You should rinse the rice, not once but twice. Let it boil and let it boil.
Please like and subscribe to our channel.
Add salt. Put its lid on and let it cook. It should look like this. Then it's time to add milk. After stirring for a minute, add sugar, rose water, and cardamom powder. Let it boil and let it boil. While it's boiling, stir it every once in a while. Put its lids back on and decrease the temperature. After 20 minutes, turn it off and add breakfast cream. Let it cool down, then serve it. Enjoy your view.